Do you wish you could refresh your clothes, sanitize them, and reduce wrinkles, all without a trip to the dry cleaner? Well, meet the LG Styler Steam Closet. It's not just another appliance, it's a game changer for your home garment care. The LG Styler is a steam closet designed to refresh, sanitize, and de-wrinkle clothes, all from the comfort of your own home. With its sleek modern design, it fits perfectly into bedrooms, laundry rooms, and walk-in closets. Let's take a look at the quick specifications of the LG Styler and Steam Closet. The dimensions are listed here. The weight is 183 pounds. It can hold up to 5 garments. This is coats, jackets, dresses, shirts, and things of that nature. It has a heat pump dryer technology similar to drying found in compact laundry here in 2024. A 220 volt is required, and there is no plumbing required. Simply insert water into the refillable water tank on the bottom right of the machine where you need, and then empty the drain tank on the bottom left of the machine when prompted. It's as simple as that. The key to the LG Styler is its true steam technology. It uses nothing but pure steam to refresh clothes, reduce odors, and remove allergens. There is a built-in moving hanger that helps evenly distribute the steam, while the pants press takes care of creases, giving you that polished, ready-to-wear look every single time. The intuitive control panel offers a variety of cycles for different fabrics, everything from delicate silk to heavy winter coats. So, why should you consider the LG Styler? It's ideal for anyone looking to extend the life of their garments, reduce trips to the dry cleaner, or even just make their clothes look and feel fresh every single day. It's a must-have for busy professionals, families with sensitive skin, and anyone who values convenience and cleanliness.